Okay, so these are the regeneration commands, screen regeneration commands. When your screen is mesh or it's unreadable, then you can use these commands to regenerate the screen. Okay, so next, how to display the document status line. Suppose you are somewhere in the document, some line. If you want to get some basic information like what is the file name and what is the line number and how much percentage at that particular line. Okay, to get this information, there is a command that is Control G. Okay, you can be anywhere in the document. If you press Control G, it will display the document number, a document name, file name, and its status, like whether it is modified or deleted, whatever it may be. Okay, whether it is modified file or new file. Okay, so it will display the flag value and your line number and what are the total number of lines present, and up to this particular line what is the percentage of the document. Okay, so this basic information will be displayed with this command Control G. Okay, let us check this command. I'm using the same file. See here, I'm just the cursor is placed here. Okay, so now I want to know the information like what is the line number. Okay, along with the total number of lines. Then you can use this command Control G, capital G. Okay, see bottom it is displaying the file name computer.txt, line number 24 of 292. So these are the total number of lines, and up to here this document is 8% of the total document. Okay, and this is the column 13. Okay, so column 13. So here it will display the some information, file information, document status information, like what is the file name, what is the line number, total number of lines, and up to this particular line, what is the percentage of the document and the column value. Okay. Now see here, I am changing the cursor position. Okay. Now if I press Ctrl G, it will display this line information. So this is line number 34 of 292. Total 292 lines are there. Up to here, this is the 11% of the document and column 14. Okay, if you change the column, next if you press Ctrl G, you can say column 15. Okay, see here column 15. Okay, so like this, using this command you can display the status of that line. Okay, next one, how to save and exit this document. We know :WQ, right? :WQ. Actually, these are EX editor commands. Okay, we are going to discuss about that. So these are EX editor. So we have one command in VI editor. So that is capital ZZ. Capital ZZ. Save and exit. Okay, document. This is VI command. Okay, save and exit VI command. We have seen :WQ. Actually, this is EX editor command. Okay, we'll see all EX editor commands. So this is EX editor command. It is a line editor command. Okay, so in VI editor also we have one command. That command is to save and exit. So that command is capital ZZ. Capital ZZ. So this is VI editor save and exit command. Okay, to save your document or file and exit from the document, you can use this command. Okay, just will check this command. Now we are in this document. To save the changes made to this document and to exit from this, we can press capital ZZ. Yes, it is saved and exit. Okay, the document is saved. Okay. Next one, rearranging text in VI editor. Rearranging text is nothing but moving some lines from one place to another place or copying lines. Okay, rearranging some lines or paragraph in the document. Okay, fine. First we will see how to rearrange, I mean that is nothing but how to move. Move text. How to move text? Already we have seen the commands. First, to move the command, delete the text. Okay, we have to cut the text. In VI editor, I mean in Unix VI editor, we don't have any cut command. So you can delete the text, and next move the cursor to the position where the text to be placed, where you want to move this text. Okay, place the cursor over there and use the command paste. So in VI editor we have one command P, that is put command. Okay, it is similar to paste. Okay, so use this P command, either capital P or small p, to paste the text over there. Okay, so first delete the text. Delete text. After deleting the text, move cursor to the place where you want to move this. Okay, place over there, and next paste it by using P command or capital P, small p or capital P. Okay, so this put command will paste the deleted text over there. Okay, so P command, put command to place the deleted text. Okay, so this deleted text will be placed in the buffer memory, buffer area. Okay, so whatever is there in the buffer, that will be placed or pasted or put over the cursor position area. Okay, so this is the process. We'll see. So first to delete the text. Suppose I want to move, okay, I want to move these three lines. These three lines. I want to move these three lines before this three. Before this three. Okay, fine. How to do this? First delete here and move the cursor over here, and you can use the P, either capital or small p. Okay, fine. First, how to delete three lines? Okay, we have command 3, there is a command D. Okay, if you say 3D from the current position, it will delete 3 lines. Okay, I am pressing 3D. Okay. 3 lines below. Okay, so this is line number, okay, where is the cursor? The cursor is placed here. From here I want to delete these 3 lines, then we can use 3DL. Oh no. Okay. Okay, how to use this range I'll tell you. Okay. Six, 7, 8. Okay. 6, comma 6 to 8. Delete from the cursor position. Okay, 6 to these 3 lines. So I'm going to, yes, 6 to 8 colon 6 comma 8 D. Okay, so I'm going to delete from line number 6 to 8. 6, 7, 8. Okay, deleted. Now place cursor where you want to paste this. Okay, I want to paste it here. Okay, so now use this, place the cursor here and use the command P. Okay, now it is pasted, small p. So these commands are deleted, that is nothing but cutted here and pasted here. Okay, so this is moving text. Okay, moving text. So suppose if we want to move this particular line from here to here at this position. Okay, then delete this particular line. How to delete this line? Colon dot D. Okay, so this will delete this line. Okay, delete this line, current line. Dot means the current cursor position line. Okay, so the cursor is placed here, otherwise you need to specify the line number. To know the line number, use colon hash. This is line number 25. Now your cursor can be anywhere in the document. Now here you can say 25D means this 25 line will be deleted. Okay, yes, it is deleted. Next, place cursor where you want to move this text and use the P command to paste it over there. Okay, so this P command will paste after the current line. Okay, to paste before the current line, capital P. So this will paste before this content, Okay, capital P will paste or put before the current line, small p after the current line. Okay, fine. How to delete a range of lines, that we'll see. Okay, see here, I want to delete these three lines. I will check the line number. So it is line number 20. So I want to delete 20, 21, 22. I want to move these three lines at this position, contents. Okay, then you can delete first colon 20 comma 20, 21, 22. Okay, so this is the range and say delete. So these three lines means 3.1 to 3. These three will be deleted here and you can paste anywhere in the document. So next, move the cursor where you want to paste and paste it over there by using the command put command, that is P. Okay, yes, it is pasted, moved here. Okay, so this is moving text. This is moving text in the document. Okay, so next one is copy text. So this is moving text. Next one is copy text. How to copy text? First, to copy the text, okay, by using the commands copy the text means this can be single line or set of lines, means multiple lines. Copy the required text. Next, place the cursor where you want to move this. Place the cursor where you want to copy the text and put it over there. P or capital P. Okay, so copy the text. Place the cursor where you want to copy this text and put it over there. Here the difference is, in the case of move text, the text will be cutted or deleted at the source and that will be pasted at the destination place. Okay, so that is moving text from one location to another location. Copying text is nothing but it is available at the source as well as destination. Okay, so wherever you are copying, the text will be placed, that is available there, and the same thing can be copied at the destination by using the commands small p or capital P. Okay, see here, I want to copy the same line I want to copy the same line. I want to copy the same line after this one, okay, after this line. Then first to copy it here, there is a command co command, ex editor command. Okay, using this I am copying this current line. Okay, either you can use the current line symbol, that is dot, or you can specify the line number, or if it is set of lines you can specify the range from this line to that line. Okay, so here I am using the current line, and co means copy. Now this is copied, or we will use this address. Okay, okay, so it is copying here. Instead of this we will use this what do you call, address. Okay, to copy the text we will use this address colon what is the line number 7. Okay, so colon line number 7, copy this line and paste it line number, suppose say 10. Okay, now it is pasted at the same line, is pasted at line number 10 also. Okay, this is one process. Another one is you can use Yank. Okay, so Yank will place the content at the in the buffer and you can paste anywhere. Okay, so you can use Yank command, or you can use this one. Okay, so that is ex editor command. So ex editor command, if you are using, I am saying like copy 10th line and paste the 10th line at line number 25. Okay, so copy 10th line and paste it 25. So this is the 10th line, this is the 10th line, this will be copied and pasted at line number 25. So this is ex editor command. You can use this command. So see here, it will be pasted at line number 25. It is pasted here. Okay, line number 10 is this one. Okay, sorry, this is the line number 10, it is pasted here. Okay, or you can, suppose you want to copy this line. Okay, so use Yank command. Okay, so that is y and this line, current line. Okay, this is second line, this entire thing is second line. Okay, so this is first line and this entire is second line. Okay, then you can Yank this particular line by using Yank y j, y to j. Okay, so 3 lines are anchored. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 lines are anchored. Means these 3 lines are copied. Next, place cursor where you want to paste. Okay, so I want to paste these 3 lines here. Then use the command P. So that will be pasted here. Okay, either you can go for Yank command, or you can use ex editor commands. Okay, ex editor commands that we'll discuss in the next. Fine. This is copying and moving text in the document. Next one, we'll see what are ex editor command. What is ex editor and what are the commands available with this ex editor. Okay. So ex editor is nothing but it is line editor. Ex editor is nothing but it is a line editor. That line editor appears when you press colon. Okay, bottom C. Here this is line editor. We use it to save the file, to quit from the file, to save without saving, quitting from file. Okay, we have seen commands. WQ, it will save and exit. Q, it will quit. If there are no changes, without any messages, you can quit from the file. If without saving, if you want to quit, you can use this command. So these are all ex editor commands. These are all ex editor commands. This ex editor command is nothing but it is line editor command. Okay, the syntax, if you see the syntax of this command, colon, address and command. So in ex editor, it is line editor. The syntax of this one is, appearance of this one is colon. If you press colon, you will activate the ex editor in vi editor. Okay, then you can run any ex editor command over here. Okay, so here you can specify address and space command. Okay, so address. So this address can be a single line or it can be a multiple lines. We have different kind of addresses. Okay. So first you will specify some examples like colon w means only save the file and you will be remain in the same file. Here we are not specifying any address. Okay, it is optional and we are using the ex editor command, that is w command to save. Okay, we'll see list of commands. Before that, we'll discuss about, we'll see what is this address. Okay, and what are different kinds of addresses we can specify. So here addresses are single line address, multiple line address or set of lines, single line address or multiple or set of line address, range address and nested address. These are the four kinds of addresses. For single line, you can use these addresses, like if you want to refer the current line, then use dot. Zero is nothing but, okay, I'll represent like this. So colon is nothing but it refers the current line. Okay, so in single line address, if you say dot, it refers the current line. Okay, dot is nothing but current line. Okay, period symbol. Use this symbol to refer the current line, means wherever the cursor is positioned, that line, you are referring that line. And if you use some command, that command will be applied on the particular line itself. Okay, only on that line. If you say 0, okay, so this is nothing but top of the file. Okay, top of the file. I am not saying beginning line. Okay, this is top of the file, right from beginning the file. Okay, so not the first line. So this top is nothing but before first line. Okay, top of the file, end of the file. Okay, so beginning of the file, end of the file. So top of the file, to refer the top of the file, you can use 0. Okay, another one is dollar. So these are all you must use in ex editor only, not vi editor. In vi editor, if you say dollar, it will be end of line, 0 beginning of the line. But in ex editor, if you use this 0 as address, this refers top of the file. Okay, so this dollar is nothing but bottom of the file. Okay, that is last line in the file. Okay, if you say 0 comma dollar, the example suppose 0 comma dollar means in ex editor means colon. Here if you say in ex editor, if you use this address, it means right from the top of the file till the end, last line. Okay, and space, if you say some command D, it will delete the whole document. If the command appears like this, 0 comma dollar space D. D is a command in ex editor to delete text. Okay, I'll show you all the commands. So here 0 comma dollar. So 0 is nothing but top of the line, dollar is nothing but last line in the file. Okay, the same symbol in VI editor is end of the line. It moves the cursor to the end of the line. In EX editor, it refers last line in the file. Okay, so from this address to this address, this command will be executed. So the meaning of this command is from this address to this address, this command will be executed. Means the whole file content will be deleted. Okay, fine. And next one is you can specify some number. You can specify some number. Okay, and some number. Okay, this is line number. Okay, if you say only colon 5, okay, here's some number, the cursor will be moved to this line. Otherwise 5 comma D, 5 space D. Okay, so on this particular line, this command will be executed. This EX command will be executed on the file. Okay, that is fifth line will be deleted. Suppose if you say 1 comma 5, so this is starting address. Till this address, this command will be executed. Okay, so just an example I am showing here. So this is single address. This is single address. You can use either of these. So dot will refer the current cursor positioned line. 0 top of the line before the first file. Okay, beginning of the file. Dollar last line in the file. N is nothing but you can specify some number. Only that line will be referred. Example, this one. 5 space D. Here we are referring only one line, that is single line. Okay. Suppose here I am saying dollar space D. This is single address. Only we are referring only one line, that is last line in the file. Last line in the file. So that we are deleting. Okay. Fine. So you can execute any EX editor commands here. Okay. So how to activate EX editor? This is one line editor command, by using colon. Okay, if you press colon, this will be activated. At this colon, you can execute any EX editor commands. Okay, fine. So these are single line. I'll tell you quickly and frequently used multiple line addresses. Okay, so the pattern will be between these two symbols. Okay, so this will execute the command in forward direction. For backward direction, I'll tell you what is forward and backward. This is backward direction. It means, see, escape. Okay, see here, the cursor is placed here. Okay, suppose you are doing some operation like search for some text. From this cursor position to next lines in the document, then you can use the pattern slash. Okay, this slash. Okay, so it will move in the forward direction. Backward direction is nothing but if you use question mark in between the pattern, in between question marks, it will start searching for the previous. Okay, so whatever the pattern you specify, that will be executed in the previous lines. Okay, so this is nothing but backward direction. So this is forward from the current line and backward from the current line. Okay, so to do some operations forward, you can use this pattern. We'll use this. Okay, and I'll show you some examples. Okay, so next one is range. Okay, so for range, you can use some symbols like percentile. So it will refer the whole document, or you can say address 1 comma address 2. Okay, example, suppose if I say percentile D, it will refer the whole document. Okay, or suppose 1 comma 5. So from line number 1 to 5, we are doing some operation, okay, colon 1 comma 5, suppose say D. So it will delete line number 1 comma 5, okay, or P, it will print only line number from line number 1 to 5, okay. So here you can use any, give me some, let me give some space, okay. Here you can execute any ex editor commands, okay. So this is for range, okay, from this particular point to this point. And next one is nested. Here we use only G for global flag. We use only two flags. One is G, another one is V. V is nothing but inverse. Okay. So suppose you are searching for some text and search the whole file. Okay. Means apply this search criteria to the whole file, then you can use the flag G. Like see here, for substitution of the text, search and replace, find, replace. Okay, suppose here in MS Word we have one find and replace command. Find what and replace with what. Okay, two options, find what, search for what, and replace with what. Okay, so here you need to specify two. The same in VA editor or using EX editor, you can use like this, first to activate EX editor colon, next to use the percentile is for whole document, next what we want to do, I want to substitute some text, then S slash, this is forward, means search forward, find this particular text, suppose D, and replace with capital THE, means this search criteria will start from the current cursor position and it will move in the forward direction till the end of the file. Once end of file is encountered, again it starts from the beginning of the file till the current line. Okay, means it will apply globally because of percentile, but initially it starts from the current cursor position and move in the forward direction because of these symbols. Once end of file is encountered, again it starts from the beginning of the file till the cursor position. The reason is percentile, means it will apply to the whole document, okay, whole file. And I want to apply this particular search and substitute globally, not locally. Okay, means whenever the match is found, whenever this particular match is found, okay, so this G is nothing but it is a global file, sorry, G is nothing but it is a global, here I am using this G, small g, not capital, small g. Okay, so this is global flag. It defines a set of lines that match the pattern, means whenever there is small the, only that will be replaced with capital The, not all words in the file. Okay, so this G is nothing but it is a global flag. Whenever the match pattern is found, then only replaces. Whenever the match pattern is found, then only replace. Okay, so that is G. If you use this inverse flag, that is V, whenever the match pattern is not found, then replace with capital The, means all the words except small the will be replaced with capital The. Okay, so this is nested. In this nested we have only two flags, one is small g and small v. These two flags are, G is nothing but global flag, V is nothing but inverse flag. G is nothing but global flag. So this will be, it means whenever the match is found, whenever the pattern is found, then only execute this substitute one. Okay, then only replace with this. V is nothing but inverse. When it is not found, substitute. When is not found, substitute, that is V. Okay, fine. We'll see with examples. We'll run these examples. So these are the 4 type of addresses that we can use with this EX editor. Okay, so these are the addresses. Next we'll see commands. What are the commands available? Then we'll go for examples. Okay, what are the EX editor commands? What are EX editor commands? Just today we'll see, in this session we'll see what are the commands, and next session we'll see what are all the, some examples on these. Okay, command and description. So D is nothing but delete. We have seen examples as well. And CO is nothing but copy, small co, not capital C, small co, copy. So it will copy the text. While copying, you can use any of the kind of addresses like single line address, multiple line address, range address, or nested address. Okay, so CO to copy the text, M move, next R read, W write. Okay, and we have Yank command. It will place in the buffer area, and P, small p. Oh, these are all capitals. Okay, it should be small, and W also small, P also small. So just it will print on the screen. Okay, not the printout. You are not taking any printout, hard copy. Just it will print on the screen, bottom of the screen. It will be displayed. Okay, fine. Next to PU, it is nothing but put command or paste. Okay, in VI editor we have small p and capital P. In EX editor we have PU. So this is nothing but put. And from your EI editor, from your EX editor, if you want to change to VI editor, you can use VI, small VI. So this is VI command, and W space, if you specify some file name, okay, so it will create that file. Write to file means it is similar to save as. If you are familiar with MS Word, this is same as save as. There is already one file which is opened. Using save as option, you can create another file. See here, this is the file. You can create another copy by using this save as option. Okay, it is exactly similar to this one. W space file name. Whatever the existing file is there, it will create another copy of this file. Okay, write to file. And X is small s. Okay, for substitute. This is substitute command. Means you can generally use this option or command for find and replace. Okay, so find for particular thing and replace means substitute with another text. Q is quit, small q, quit. We have seen all these examples. Okay, Q exclamatory mark. Okay, so this is quit and do not save, without save. Quit without save. Okay, next WQ. WQ is nothing but write, or we can say save. Only save, and your cursor will be in the same file. Okay, it remains in the file only. WQ means save and quit. Okay, save and quit. X is nothing but small x. This will save and quit or exit. Okay, similar to this WQ only, but it doesn't prompt anything. Okay, similar to WQ only, colon Q, sorry, colon X. So these are all ex editor commands. These are all ex editor commands. Okay. So use these commands with this colon anyway. So these are all ex editor commands. Fine. So this is the appearance of the ex editor colon. In VI editor, if you press colon symbol, ex editor line editor will be activated and you can run any of the ex editor command. So the appearance of this ex editor command is colon address and command. So this address is optional. If you want, you can use. Otherwise, without address also you can execute some commands like colon q exclamatory colon wq colon x. So these are all the commands without using address. Okay, that we have seen. Fine. So coming to addresses, we have four kinds: single line address, one line address, multiple lines or set of line address. So in this you can use patterns and range address. This is for global, means whole file, not global, whole file. Okay. So whatever the command you are executing, that command will be executed to the whole file. Okay. So that will be applied to the whole file, or you can specify some range as well. So from this particular line to this line, I want to delete some text from this line to this line. Then you can specify the line numbers like 1, 5. So only it execute in this range. Okay. Next one is nested. Here remember, G is nothing but global flag, V is nothing but inverse flag. Global flag will be applied whenever the match is found. The pattern match is found. Okay. So inverse is nothing but the command will be executed when match is not found. Okay. Fine. So examples we will see in the next session. So D is nothing but deleting, copy. M is nothing but move, small m. R, read, smaller. W, write or save. Here the difference between WQ and W is WQ save means write the file content and quit. W is nothing but it only saves what are all the updates, what are all the changes you done to the file, that will be saved. Okay. And similar to your VI editor command, P print, PU paste. This is small p. Okay. PU VI means to change to VI editor. See, suppose you are in this, suppose you activated colon. Now EX editor is activated. See here colon. Now to go to VI editor, you can use VI. Now you will be into VI editor. Okay. Now all VI editor commands will be executed. Okay. Simple. Now to quit, save and quit, we can use X colon X. It will save and exit. Similar to WQ. Okay. Fine. So W write to is similar to save as in MS Word or MS Office. S substitute, quit, and these commands we used. Okay. We used all these commands. Fine. We'll continue in the next session.